Tesla claimed that his mechanical oscillator could generate vibrations that could shatter a building or even cause an earthquake. Hey guys, I am Victor. Welcome to today's video where we will be talking about one of the most innovative and brilliant inventors of all time. Nikola Tesla. He was a genius who made significant contributions to science and technology. Tesla was a man with incredible vision and creativity who made numerous inventions during his lifetime. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at Tesla's life, his inventions, and the two that stand out as the most interesting, his death ray and mechanical oscillator. Tesla's life and inventions. Nikola Tesla was born in 1856 in Smiljan, Croatia. He immigrated to the United States in 1884 and worked with Thomas Edison for a while before becoming a rival of Edison's. Tesla was known for his unique and innovative ideas and inventions. He held over 300 patents in his lifetime and was responsible for some of the most significant inventions in history. Some of his most notable inventions include the Tesla coil, the AC motor, X-rays, radio, the remote control, and etc. Nikola Tesla was known to have a very vivid imagination and a photographic memory, which allowed him to visualize his inventions and designs in great detail in his mind. He claimed that he could construct a device in his imagination and test it to see how it would perform without ever having to physically build it. This ability was one of the key factors that allowed him to create so many groundbreaking inventions during his lifetime. Tesla once said, "My method is different. I do not rush into actual work. When I get an idea, I start at once building it up in my imagination. I change the construction, make improvements, and operate the device entirely in my mind." Tesla's death ray, one of Tesla's most interesting inventions. In 1934, Tesla told reporters he had designed a superweapon he claimed would end all war. He called it Teleforce, but was usually referred to as death ray. He claimed that the death ray was capable of shooting a beam of energy that could destroy any enemy aircraft from a distance of 200 miles away. According to Tesla, the death ray worked by shooting a concentrated beam of particles, which would ionize the air, creating a path of conductive plasma. Tesla's death ray concept was highly controversial and not fully understood. He claimed that it could be used as a defensive weapon to protect against potential military attacks. However, the specifics of how the device would actually work were not fully explained, and no working prototype was ever publicly demonstrated. There are those who speculate that the Tunguska explosion may have been the result of Tesla's death ray, which occurred on June 30, 1908, in Siberia, was a massive explosion that destroyed a large area of forest and caused damage over several hundred square kilometers, about the size of 5 Manhattans, New York. However, there were no reported human casualties. The exact size of the explosion is still a subject of debate, but estimates suggest that the explosion was equivalent to several megatons of TNT. 1 megaton of energy is equivalent to the energy released by detonating 1 million tons of TNT. Overall, while the idea of a death ray may sound like something out of a science fiction movie, it remains an intriguing and controversial part of Nikola Tesla's legacy. But it became the subject of numerous conspiracy theories and continues to fascinate people today. Tesla's mechanical oscillator, another one of Tesla's most intriguing inventions. Tesla claimed that his oscillator could generate vibrations that could shatter a building or even cause an earthquake. He experimented with a small version of the oscillator in his laboratory on 46 East Houston Street in New York. According to Tesla, the oscillator generated a resonance in several buildings, causing complaints to the police. Tesla was forced to use a sledgehammer to terminate the experiment, just as the police arrived. It's important to note that many of the claims about Tesla's mechanical oscillator, including its supposed ability to cause earthquakes and destroy buildings, have not been proven or supported by scientific evidence. In fact, some experts believe that the mechanical oscillator may not have even worked as Tesla described it. However, there are some interesting aspects of Tesla's mechanical oscillator that have been documented. For example, Tesla claimed that the device could produce an incredibly powerful vibration by using resonance, which is the tendency of an object to vibrate at a certain frequency. Tesla believed that if the oscillator was set to vibrate at the same frequency as a building or other structure, the resulting resonance could be powerful enough to cause destruction. Tesla also claimed that the mechanical oscillator could be used to generate free energy, meaning energy that is generated without any input or fuel. While this claim has not been proven, it's interesting to consider the possibility of generating energy without needing any external resources. Despite the potential benefits of the mechanical oscillator, there are also concerns about its safety. According to Tesla, the oscillator could generate extremely high frequencies, which could be dangerous to human health. There are also concerns about the potential damage that could be caused by the intense vibrations generated by the device. Overall, while there is still much debate and speculation surrounding Tesla's mechanical oscillator, it remains an intriguing and mysterious invention that continues to capture the imagination of people around the world. Nikola Tesla passed away on January 7, 1943, in the New Yorker Hotel in New York City at the age of 86. He was found dead in his hotel room by a maid, and it is believed that he died of heart failure. What happened to his many inventions after his death? When Tesla passed away, much of his work was scattered across various storage facilities and laboratories, and it wasn't until much later that his papers and designs were properly catalogued and preserved. It wasn't until the 1980s that the FBI declassified some of Tesla's files, which revealed that many of his ideas had been examined by the US government for their potential military applications. There were even rumors that the government had developed their own versions of some of Tesla's more secretive inventions, including his famous deathray. His deathray and mechanical oscillator are two of his most intriguing inventions and continue to fascinate people to this day. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoyed and learned something new today.